everyone, welcome back again to Official Sister TV. Thank you to all my returning subscribers. Thank you for coming back again and again. Thank you so much. And if you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Press that bell, turn on the bell on in case of any time just upload any video, any update on my channel. You will be the first person to notify. Thank you guys, thank you so much. Thank you.
Oh my God, there's tears in Peter Okoye family right now that I'm talking to you. Big tears. Well, for those of you that don't know Peter Okoye is one of the best artists in Nigeria. My people, wetin just happened to him and his family is it's a sad day for them. Where may God give them the heart, the strength to overcome it. Well, my people, we all know that Peter Okoye married to Lola Omotayo some years back, which they have two beautiful kids. The wife of Peter Okoye, Lola, she just lost her dear father. Where may our gentle soul rest in peace, because this life that we have, one day we shall all return. May God give them the strength and to overcome it. Where and secondly, the man just died just few hours ago, but internet just wetin just dey trend for internet is that the kind rumors, say if this kind thing happen, people must surely talk. Say her daughter no take off her dad when the dad dey alive. Haba. Well, I don't really know about the father. I don't really know whether the story is truth or not. But one thing I'm sure that I know, that little that I know about Peter Okoye and Lola, because I know say they are two beautiful couples, and the way they show themselves in social media, they are just lovely people. Where one thing that I know is that I don't really believe, even say maybe Lola and his father they have any argument. I believe maybe they have any argument, because wetin Lola even write on her Twitter, that was some days ago. I will read the something for you. Maybe that make people to talk. I don't really know, but I will read the something for you guys to know what I'm talking about. She said, TBT, so when life was easy and less complicated, I was less than 2 years. She shared the post, she and her lovely dad and her mother. He said, God bless our parents. That was she writes. Well, my people, that thing that she writes, I don't see anything wrong on that post, because she just posted the picture that was some days ago, and today now she just lost her dear father. Well, say they are celebrity, and people must surely talk good and bad about them. It can also be maybe when the dad was alive, he did not take care of Lola. It's not maybe I really know about the family of Lola like that. Where say if something don't happen, people must surely talk here and there. For not taking care of your dad, I don't believe that one. Even sef the lady refused. I know say Peter Okoye of all people, he will not allow that kind thing to take place. Peter Okoye dey take off people wey he himself no even know, not to talk of him own father-in-law. Where for that one, maybe one or two people will know the answer to that question. Where may the man soul continue, may the man soul rest in peace. And this time, this period, what they need, and our prayer, I pray God give them the strength to overcome this great loss. Where Peter Okoye said, he said My dear great-in-law Chief Oladipo Adewale Omotayo, aka Papi, we will surely miss you. Your beloved daughter Lola Okoye and your grandchildren Cameron and Alona Okoye miss you desperately. We know we have been truly blessed to have had a husband, father, and grandfather, and most especially a father-in-law like you. Till we meet again, Papa. What Peter Okoye write on his own Twitter. My people, my question is that if they are not in good terms, I don't believe that Peter Okoye will come out and write such words tribute to father-in-law. Where, as I talked before, una know say if something don't happen, people go talk here and there. That's it. Because I wish they are not famous just now. Nobody will talk about this just because they are famous and people know them. Say they are famous, and that is why people must surely talk. Where, as I talked before, I don't really believe that Lola, when in that they are alive, she not take off her own. That I don't believe that one. You go even see the picture the time where they do marry. I know say some parents they don't even care about all those to show up, all those kind of things. Why some parents any month they go show say their daughter or their pikin married to the richest man or richest woman on earth, they go like to showcase for any social media. Why some parents don't like to keep their own private life and not to showcase for social media. Where no matter what, people must surely talk. Even person wey dey under grave, people still dey talk bad against dem. No talk of person wey still dey alive dey breathe. Where I pray that God give them the strength to overcome this great loss, because it's not easy to lose someone that very close to your heart. Please, my great people, just say a prayer for them, because this time around they need our prayer. They need God intervene for them to move on, because death now waiting very bad. We even your enemy don't even pray for that person to even die, because death now waiting. We all know say everybody is going to pay, but person they pray may God still give person long life. Well, that's it, my people. What do you think about this? Leave your comment in the comment section down below. Thank you guys. Bye. I see you on my next video. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.